Okay, last time I was out here trying to do this, it was not as bad as this. My God, look at that. And of course, holy sweet mother of God. And there's idiots going to freaking Sonic trying to get food. What is wrong with you people? I don't know how long I'm going to be out here, folks, but I wanted to record this real quick. Try and get as much as I can. Oh my God. I'm going to try not to be out here very long. My God, look at that. You know, I'm just amazed right now, folks, and I'm gonna be hoping and praying we're all gonna be all right here, and I'm gonna be saying a prayer for my wife, Sarah, who I hope is all right. I mean, I know I shouldn't be out here recording this, but this is just amazing, and I'm probably just gonna record maybe just a few minutes. I don't know when I'm gonna put this on YouTube, but it'll probably be a little while because I have everything in the house unplugged right now. The internet box, the computer, everything. And I haven't really seen, oh my God, I have not really seen the storm clouds look like this in a really good long while. You know, and yeah. Go to an auto parts place or a garage to get your vehicle fixed, and it still sounds like crap. Yeah, that's real cool. But my God, this is just amazing. Oh God, Sarah, I hope you're okay. My good Lord. I'm really gonna hope and pray this won't be the last time I'm gonna record anything. I'm gonna pray that we're all gonna be all right, and I'm gonna pray my beautiful wife Sarah. God, I miss you. I hope you're all right, and I mean, this is some scary stuff, but it just fascinates me, and it's amazing to me how just a streak of lightning is just so unbelievable. It's amazing. I'm not going to try and crack jokes. I'm not going to try and poke fun or nothing. I just want to record this for a little bit. And, my God. There's some idiot walking by. Could have gotten a ride. Now I'm just gonna walk in the rain because I'm a doofus. Here comes the rain. Hope it doesn't have very far to go. Oh, he's just going next door. I can't blame him. this is something else. Getting some great footage of this big thunderstorm happening. And of course, we have the morons at Sonic saying, "Oh, it's storming outside. I think I'm going to go over there and get me some food." I swear people in this town have no brains. Yeah, honk honk, whatever. But seriously, I mean, come on. I mean, of course, then again, I'm standing out here with a camera phone trying to record lightning, but hey. I'm not going to some fast food restaurant to pick up some burgers and fries. In which, of course, the fast food restaurant has the employees coming outside, standing underneath a metal roof. Oh, Lord. Wow. I swear I will never complain about not getting any lightning ever again. I swear. I'm not going to do that anymore. But again, to my beautiful wife, Sarah, who's in an Oklahoma hospital right now, I hope you're all right. And, I mean, I just talked to you a little while ago, but I mean, I don't know if the storm hit there, if it's and it's come this way, or if it's hitting here first and then heading that way. But if it does go that way after it leaves here, please be safe and please be careful. I mean, I know, Sarah, if you ever watch this video, which I'm sure you will sometime soon, you know I worry about you, and I love you with all my heart, and I can't imagine living in this world without you, whether you know, whether I were to leave this world first or you were to. It's like I said before, to me, heaven wouldn't be quite that until you were up there with me, and you know, I have just the most wonderful, beautiful wife a guy could ever ask for. I feel so blessed and so thankful every day to God and just to be alive and have this woman in my life. She is my best friend, and she's my everything. And so, Sarah, I always want you to know I love you very, very much, and I'm going to keep praying you're going to be home real, real soon. But this storm right here, again, it does scare me a little bit, because, again, I don't know if it's hit in Oklahoma yet and it came this way, or if it's just going to hit here first and then head to Oklahoma. But no matter what happens, I mean, you know, we were texting for a little while, and she didn't mention anything about a storm. So that's what concerns me. Maybe it's going to hit here first and then head there. So, but if it does head there, I pray she'll be all right. I hope. I pray for the family. You know, I'm just gonna hope everybody's gonna be all right. So, apple cider tea. Don't judge. Okay, I'm probably gonna get about another 45 seconds of this, and I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna stop recording, then I'll get this on. Whoa! I'll try and get this uploaded whenever I can. But to Sarah, I'm going to be praying for you. I'm going to be praying for the family and praying for you to be safe. And everybody who's watching this video, I hope you guys had a good time. One more lightning bolt before I cut this off. That's asking for a little too much, I think, right there. So gang, hope you enjoyed the video. To Sarah, I love you with all my heart. Stay strong and rock on.